Okay, I'm doing a bit of an improvised setup here. Let's see if it works. So the idea, if you're using I and J as iterators, they are called iterators, by the way. You probably already knew, but just in case. Let's say that this is I here. Sorry if it's a bit scuffed. Let's say that this is I and this is J. And so I moves like this, okay? Like this is index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, until the length of the string, right? So this is I and this is J. Actually, let me put the caps on because I don't want them to get dry. So sorry if this is a bit obvious, but just in case, if this is I moves 0, 1, 2, like you add one position every loop. But J is the opposite. You start at the length, let's say that this is the length, okay, of the string. You start at length -1 because this is 7 characters long, right? How many letters does this word have? It's not a real word, but imagine that it is. It would have 7 letters, right? 1, 2, 3, 7, okay? But because we start at 0 in computer science, right? Index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 7 letters, but we need to start at position number 6 for J. Okay, so we start at the length -1. Okay, so J will go like this. You subtract 1 every loop. So again, if this is I and this is J, you can imagine T is the same as T. Okay, we keep going. A is the same as A. Okay, we keep going. C equals C. And then that's it. Like, we only need 3 checks, okay? Check number 1, check number 2, and check number 3. We don't need to check this. Like, here, it could be any letter here. Instead of O, it could be like, I don't know, Z. And it would still be a palindrome because, like, if you reverse it, like, the one in the middle stays at the middle if you write it in reverse. So yeah, like if you do the full list, you're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. O equals O. We're good. 5, 6, 7 checks. Like if you go all the way, you're going to do 7 checks. And yes, it's a palindrome. Okay. If we do half the list, 1, 2, 3, that's it. It's valid. What your code snippet was doing, it was checking like this is I and this is J, and it was checking this, then this, then this, then this, then this, then this, then this. And that's not like wrong. I just don't see how, by doing these checks, how can you know that it's a palindrome? Because if we check it like this, it's a valid way to solve the problem. Because if we write it in reverse, it will be like that. But if you check only the first one with all the others, I don't really see how that would solve the problem. For example, the first one here, it's different to the others, but it's still a palindrome. When you reverse it, like, here is another way. The other way is that you can make a copy of this list, but writing it in reverse. So we start here, T, then here, A, then here, C, O, C, A, T. And then you can check. The first one is the same, check. The second one is the same, check. So on until the last one is the same, check. Okay, so this is the third way. I didn't code it just yet, but it should be pretty simple. So yeah, sorry if it was a long video, maybe too obvious or maybe not. But yeah, you should always know what your code is doing. You don't need to use I and J, by the way. You can only use I, and then the J, you can like adjust it from the length. Because this is length -1, length -2, length -3. So you can do it with only I, or you can add J if you want. But notice that because it's the same amount, I don't need I. I can do like n minus I, n minus I, n minus I, n minus I. So I can use like I and J, or I can use I and n minus I, where n is the length, right? Where n is the same as I, and it's the length of my string. Let's say S length, -1, okay? right? So I can use 2 iterators, like this. I can use 2 of these, or I can use only one, because if I know the length of the string, I can just do like this. So yeah, I hope this is a useful visualization. I'm sorry if it was too much or not, but yeah, sorry if I was like, okay, anyway, I hope this is useful. Bye. Now let me there you have it.